Welcome to the future, a future powered by AI and the Metaverse. Today we're going to talk about Nvidia's GTC event, where experts gather to discuss and unveil the latest breakthroughs in technology. Nvidia held a GTC event conference which focused on artificial intelligence and the Metaverse market. During the event, Nvidia announced several new cloud solutions, including the expansion of Omniverse Cloud to power industrial digitalization and the launch of DGX Cloud, which provides enterprises with instant access to an AI supercomputer. These cloud solutions are powered by Nvidia hardware and are available through partnerships with cloud giants like Microsoft, Google, and Oracle Cloud. Nvidia is also offering simulation tools like DriveSim and IsaacSim to customers in its ecosystem. The company's DPU, or Data Processing Unit, is being used by Oracle Cloud Infrastructure to improve performance, efficiency, and security in data centers. While Nvidia's AI push has excited investors, there are concerns about over-inventory correction in the future due to the large number of GPUs being purchased by cloud server providers. Nvidia is unveiling its DGX Cloud platform, which aims to put the company's DGX AI supercomputer hardware and accompanying software onto public cloud platforms. This move makes AI more accessible to businesses that do not have the resources to build their own infrastructure to run complex AI training workloads. With DGX Cloud, companies can access Nvidia's hardware and software on major cloud service providers' environments and run their large and complex AI training workloads. The new service represents a shift to a cloud-first strategy for Nvidia and allows the company to monetize its software while democratizing AI. DGX Cloud uses a software-as-a-service (SaaS) model where Nvidia provides the hardware and software for a fee. Oracle Cloud and Equinix data centers will host the first version, with Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud expected to join in the future. DGX Cloud is the latest attempt to democratize AI, making it more accessible to mainstream enterprises that want to take advantage of the business benefits that emerging technology can deliver. Nvidia has been building its roadmap with AI at its core for over a decade and is now as much a software company as a hardware maker. The company's AI enterprise software suite reflects the growing importance of software and has more employees working on software than hardware. With DGX Cloud, Nvidia has another way to deliver all of that to enterprises that want to leverage generative AI tools such as OpenAI's ChatGPT but lack the resources to scale the infrastructure within their data centers to support it. In addition to DGX Cloud, Nvidia plans to roll out Omniverse Cloud in Azure in the second half of the year, a platform as a service that builds on the Omniverse infrastructure as a service Nvidia already offers. It will be a subscription service based on Nvidia's OVX systems designed to create 3D virtual worlds to create an immersive experience. Nvidia will also integrate its Omniverse technology with Microsoft 365, integrating it with such Microsoft tools as Teams, OneDrive, and SharePoint, with what Nvidia calls a network of networks connecting Omniverse to Azure. A quick background on Nvidia. Nvidia Corporation, NASDAQ, NVDA, is a semiconductor company that specializes in designing and manufacturing graphics processing units, GPUs, as well as system-on-a-chip, SoC, units for the mobile computing and automotive markets. The company has had a strong performance in recent years, and its stock price has been on a bullish trend. In yesterday's stock market, Nvidia saw a 1.2% increase, closing at $261.99, and boasting a remarkable 79.3% growth year to date compared to the S&P 500 index's 4.3% gain. Nvidia stock has earned an impressive IBD composite rating of 98 out of 99, placing it in the top 2% of stocks for technical and fundamental performance over the past 12 months. Nvidia stock is featured on both the IBD Leaderboard and IBD Tech Leaders lists. Evercore ISI analyst C.J. Muse reiterated his outperform rating on Nvidia stock ahead of the conference, stating that he believes the primary investor focus at the GTC conference will be on generative AI. Muse also noted that Nvidia is uniquely positioned to excel in this market. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest investing trends, tips, and expert advice, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the Investing Iguana. We're constantly working on new content to help you navigate the world of investments with confidence. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our videos. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to drop a comment below. We love hearing from our audience. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep investing wisely and growing your wealth. This is the Investing Iguana, signing off.